Next question natin, anong mangyayari kapag hindi tayo nakapagpa-register sa BIR? Sagot, there will be a platform sanctions by Shopee. So kung kayo po ay talagang seller at desidido kayo to continue your business, then I would highly suggest to do the BIR registration process. And then yung question number 4 natin, actually parang related din siya sa question number 3. What is the sanctions if I fail to complete the business information? Yung ibig sabihin dito ng complete the business information, ito yung ina-upload nating documents sa seller center ng platform kung saan man tayo nagbebenta, whether Lazada, TikTok, or Shopee. I-upload nyo po kasi doon lahat ng business registration and documents na nire-require nila para malaman nila syempre na yung business nyo is registered na sa BIR. If hindi nyo yan nagawa, then the sanction will be, ayan, basa. No new orders and product listing will not be viewable publicly. In Tagalog, para na ring sarado yung shop nyo kasi walang papasok na orders, 'di ba? Bakit ka ba nagtayo ng shop as an online seller? Syempre gusto mo may orders, may sales. With this sanction, mawawala lahat ng sales mo. Kaya napaka-importante na mag-comply with this requirement. Next question, pwede po bang si Lazada na lang, si TikTok, o kaya si Shopee na lang ang mag-register sa amin as a seller? The answer is a big no. Bakit? Kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na Data Privacy Act. Meaning to say, hindi sila pwedeng mag-handle ng ating mga confidential documents, ng mga personal information natin. And remember, as a business owner, this is our responsibility. Responsibility natin to register our business, responsibility natin to comply kasi ito ay mandatory ng government. As much as we wanted na sila na lang yung mag-process sana, but unfortunately, the answer is no, hindi po pwede.